What if I told you that your doodles, selfies, or even random ideas could instantly turn into jaw-dropping AI images? That's exactly what MixUp, the new app from the ex-Googler team behind Rooms, does. Think of it like Mad Libs for AI-generated images. You fill in the blanks, and MixUp transforms your input into creative, sometimes hilarious results. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your engagement keeps us creating content like this. MixUp is built on Google's Nano banana model, which is designed to preserve the core of your images in a convincing way. You could sketch a crude doodle and see it transformed into a Renaissance-style painting, or even see your pet in a whimsical Halloween costume. The magic here isn't just in the AI itself, but in MixUp's recipes, shareable prompts that let anyone replicate or remix creations. This makes MixUp more than just an image generator. It turns generative AI into a social, collaborative game. Users can see the original prompt and the resulting image side by side, which helps tame the randomness that usually comes with AI tools. You can also toggle a before and after view, giving a sense of control that most AI apps lack. MixUp also lets you upload your own photos for mixables, so friends or followers can play around with your images, creating endless combinations. Safety and moderation are handled using OpenAI tech and Google's own built-in controls to prevent inappropriate content. The app launches globally on iOS November 21st with invite-only access. Free users get 100 credits to try it out, and images cost just a few cents each. If you want more, subscription tiers offer up to 500 credits per month. If you love experimenting with AI or just want to make your friends laugh with wild image mashups, MixUp is worth checking out. Watch the related video in the corner for even more cutting-edge AI tools, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for the latest updates. Jump in, try a recipe, and see what kind of creative chaos you can unleash.